clip we are going to talk about purchase ledger. I've made 3 T accounts here. Mr. X, Mr. Y and Mr. V, they are our trade payables, or the credit suppliers to whom we are supposed to make payments in future because we have bought goods from them on credit. We have not paid them money and we are supposed to pay them money in future, and we are supposed to keep track of the money which is to be paid. Now, just like the sales ledger, the purchase ledger is also very critical because we need to have good relationships with our suppliers, and we cannot afford to have wrong records or bad records which are inaccurate. It will reduce our reputation, or it will make our reputation bad with the suppliers, and the friendly relationships are going to be ruined as a result of that. And in order to maintain good relationships, in order to in order to basically have accurate records more than anything else, we are going to maintain purchase ledger. The purchase ledger is the heading under which all the trade payables are going to be residing. I have made one sample trade payables account, for you here for your understanding. Mr. X is our supplier, is our, credit supplier or trade payables, sometimes also called accounts payable. So we purchased goods from him on 15th of January worth 500. 100 goods worth 100 were found unsuitable, and we returned the goods to the supplier, and he accepted them duly as well. So 500 was supposed to be paid, 500 was the liability, and 100 due to the returns the liability was reduced by 100. So 400 worth of liability was there, and then we decided to make the payment to Mr. X, and we made the payment of 395 to Mr. X, and Mr. X gave us a discount and for the final settlement, and as a result of it we have paid off all our liability which was supposed to be paid. So normally when we are talking about a purchase ledger, these are the some normal entries which are going to be residing on the debit and the credit sides. In this case there is no balance carried down. Normally there can be balance carried down if we have a regular supplier, but if it's an irregular supplier, if it's a one-off supplier, then we may not have the balance carried down, or the liability is going to get finished very quickly because we are not going to have any future relationships with this supplier anymore. So this is purchase ledger for you. I'll see you in the next clip. Thank you very much.